If you're working on Mack Granite truck with every part catalog, cross-reference site, and AI tool tell you about the air system air dryer cartridge, it's completely wrong. If you're trying to screw on the recommended aftermarket filter, you risk ruining brand new parts or damaging your treads. As a 310T mechanic, I ran into this firsthand. Part database claimed that WABCO and Donaldson cartridge share the exact same thread pitch and opening size. They don't. When I attempted to install the WABCO and Donaldson filter, they lock up solid after just one turn. The WABCO filter sees so tight by hand that I had to use a filter wrench just to back it off, denting the fresh casing and turning the brand new filter into absolute garbage. I double checked with Mack part department, and even after the rep verify his computer database, the system confirmed his aftermarket cartridge should fit. But right on the original desiccant label, it clearly states specific cartridge thread, use only 23099526. Here's the exact air dryer mounting housing on the Mack Granite, but this might also affect other newer truck. Take a good look at it so you can instantly recognize it on your rig. The only filter cartridge that actually worked and screw on smoothly all the way by hand is part number 23099526. I brought this directly to the Mack part sales manager, and they're going to update their master database to fix the cross-reference error. Hopefully this video will help correct Google and AI searches. Save yourself the headache. Don't waste your money and damage your thread. Stick strictly to the 23099526 filter. See you in the next video.